we're going to install some ghost lights. So with this beautiful car, it barely has a light whatsoever. That's a very simple install. We're just going to come up underneath here, which there it is. Now looking at this new one, so essentially it's got this section that pushes in, which locks it, and this is your connector. You know, very basic. And they're already labeled, so which side, left, front left, this is front driver side. So we're gonna just kind of pry at this for a second just to see. These even come with the tools. Yep, okay, so it's back here. So that's where that lock is. Like I said, this is what you're looking for right here. You're just looking for this, you press in. Now this next part's really hard because this wire, this is as long as it is. So as soon as I'm just gonna take this tool and I'm gonna push in on the lever for the wire connector. To release it, it's going to fly back up inside the vehicle. So what you got to do is you got to dig your finger in there. Come on. Yeah, see, it just climbs back up. Okay, so you're going to get your finger in there. Get your new one ready. Make sure it's the new one that says L on it. Don't put your old one back in there. And then line up where the tab goes. Plug it in. Ah, okay, pull your finger out and lock it in. We're gonna come back in a little bit and see how it looks. It's a little bit darker outside. Let's just see how it turned out, and it is perfect. Look at that. I went with a very, I don't know, simple design. I didn't want to go too crazy, but yeah, it came out looking great. Like I said, left is left, right was right. I like these because you don't have to adjust them. And that's pretty much that's it. All right, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.